Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you have not subscribed to the channel, then do it right now so that you can get all the updates about my upcoming videos. Alright, so in the last lecture, we started about the private data members and the public data members with the access specifier used with two different programs. I just changed over there. If that concept is clear to you, then please let's come up to the private member functions. Alright, likewise, if there is a private data member, we cannot access them outside the class. And here in a private member functions, what it is, we cannot access that too outside the class. So what we were watching in a normal practice when we were creating a class, all the data members we are taking were as a private, and all the functions, data member functions, we are taking it as in a public. Now what we are doing, we are making a private member function. See, sometimes what happen whenever we are making a program or a project, there are some kinds of things that to be hidden, that cannot to be shown to the other persons which are not authorized to that particular thing. For example, if the increment of an employee is going to be done, so that is a confidential things that needs to be hidden. So for that we can create a private member function. So in this particular video I'm just going to give a one example where I'm going to show you the roll number and the fees of a particular student that can be accessible to the account person only, that a particular student is having a particular fees or a particular roll number, that roll number is having a particular fees. Alright, so let's begin with the example. What I am writing, I am taking a class student, class student, and what I am creating over here is private, in which I give it roll number RN and float fees. Alright, then, and I'm taking a member function as a private called read, and in that particular read function I am printing roll number equals to 12 or 120, and the fees is equals to 10,000.00. And then in a public I am writing another function called void show read cout, that is roll number, and cout will be RN, and then cout fees, sorry, double quotes, fees is fees. Alright, and that's all I'm going to do in a class. Now I'm creating a int main, where I will be creating an object for student called, and I will be just using the dot operator with the class name, sorry, object name, that is st dot show, which is a public member function, and that's it. Now let's run. Alright, let's see, it's running and showing roll number equals to 120 and fees equals to 10,000. Although we have seen that we have created this void read function as a private in a class, and we are accessing this particular function in a public function which is already mentioned in a class. So what we learned, that a data member function can only be called by another function that is a member of its class, or I can say that an object can also not invoke a private function using the dot operator, as it needs to invoke that particular public function in which that private function is called. Alright, I hope that you guys understood this example for the private member functions. So that's all for the today's video. Thank you. I hope you understood the concept. If not, then do comment and tell me. And if you have not understood the earlier concepts also, then go and watch the videos again so that you can listen up what I was saying, and you can learn and you can understand the concept behind the things going on into the program or into the particular topic we are discussing. Alright, and do subscribe to my channel for getting all the updates. Thank you.